Hi everybody! Well, I said I wanted to make a little zucchini casserole, and I'm just making a really little one because I think I'm going to be the only one to eat it. Um, I have my zucchini all done up. Zucchini and summer squash. No, I did not pat it dry, but I did do the salting thing, so we're going to see what happens. I have no idea. You just salt it and you let the water drain out. And quite a bit of water drained out. I did squish it a little bit so that the water drained out. I've never done this before, and I can't find a recipe that gives me exactly what I want, so I'm kind of making this up on my own. I did use, instead of just plain salt, I used some onion butter. That has enough salt in it, and it really leaked out the water. So, now I'm going to make my sauce to go over the top of it. And, if you've been watching my food pantry hauls, you know that I got 3 or 4 things of this. Dean's French onion dip. Well, I don't really want to do the roux thing. I just am not feeling it today. So you know what? We're going to try this and see what happens. I think it had some good flavor. And it's quite thick. Very thick. Alright, it says to heat it kind of gradually. So we'll turn the heat down. Which is something you do not see me do often, is turn the heat down. I just usually don't. Yeah, my pan's a little hot, but it'll cool off really quickly with all this cold dip going in it. I don't know. If I don't use it all on the casserole because I made too much, then I'm sure there's something else we can shove it into when I get the chance. I don't know if we're going to need to add some half and half, but I did get that out just in case. But it is melting quite well. But I'm going to want this to be a little thick, I think. So that is why we got out the Parmesan. And it's an imported grated Parmesan blend. I don't know. It's got real cheese in it somewhere, I'm sure. Yeah, see, the first ingredient is imported Parmesan cheese. So we got some cheese in it somewhere. I can't guarantee you that it's all cheese. It's probably cornstarch in there and whatever else. Oh, yeah, cornstarch at the bottom. And powdered cellulose. Yeah, so it's not perfect. Fresh grated Parmesan. I don't care. I like it. It's $3.99. Emma likes it. As you can see, we use it a lot. Yeah, I should have my hair back. I know. That's just the way it is. I'm cooking for me. This is going to be mine. And I noticed it. I took it out. We move on. Now I'm going to put some Parmesan in there. And see if it don't thicken it up. I want it to be thicker, I think, because I think the zucchini and squash is still going to leach some water. We're going to need a little bit more. Probably done about half a cup now. We'll let that boil up a little bit. And I can put this away because I can see I'm not going to need it. I didn't know how much it would melt. Alright, now I think I can turn it up a little bit because it's all melted. And it didn't separate or anything. We need it to come to a boil so we can see how thick it's going to be. It's starting. It's gonna get there. Yes, I'm watching the pot. Believe me, even if you watch the pot, it still boils. Because you're watching it right now intently. And it is starting to boil. See? Watch pots do boil. And I'm only making a very little bit because I don't even know if this is going to be any good. But I'm thinking that it's going to be good because, hello, I'm making it. We're going to add in about another tablespoon. Oh, I forgot my garlic. I'll have to grab the garlic. Maybe. Oh, garlic. Oh, it's up there. We need some garlic in this. We always need garlic. Lots of garlic. Like 2 tablespoons. Oh, look at that sauce. Isn't that beautiful? Alright. And since how we're going to bake this, we don't have to worry about cooking the garlic flavor off. Look at that beautifulness. Isn't that great, Em?
Mm-hmm.
Well, you like this part. You don't like the part that it's going into.
No, no I don't.
We're going to put this over there. I don't know if we're going to need more now. We'll give it a little mix up. See if I want to add the rest. I think I want to add the rest, don't you?
I guess.
Yes, Mom. Perfect idea. I don't know. Probably too much, but can you have too much sauce on things? Alright, you can, but not very often. Let's shove all these zucchinis and squashes down in there. I think that looks like a perfect amount of sauce. I think. Alright. And because I think it needs something a little crunchy on top, we have my favorite thing to use for toppings. Cheez-Its! Alright, cheddar cheese snack crackers. Because I love the Clover Valley ones. I just do. They're $1.50 cheaper. And they taste awesome. So, because I don't feel like doing the butter thing, I'm not. I'm just going to spray it with a little bit of olive oil. Alright, this is about as aggressive as my tutorials get. Just because I'm not doing that. That's it. Isn't that pretty? And then I got these handy dandy little oil dispenser things. Oh my god, I love them. They're so much fun. Just gonna put some oil on top. Make it all shiny and pretty. That should be good. Alright. And then, I don't know how long this is going to take. I'm going to start out with 20 minutes at 350, I guess. And see what happens. And then if I like it, I'll take it out and eat it. If I don't, I'll put it back in for some more. So, I'm going to go bake this. And we'll see you in just a short bit, hopefully 20 minutes. And see if it's done. Hi everybody. Well, my casserole is all done and it looks so nice. Alright. And we're going to try it out. I mean, it is a little soupy down the bottom, but it's still quite warm. I lost my zucchini piece. Yep, I like using that as a sauce. The sauce sticks to it pretty well, too. Yep. Mm. Mm. I think I'm going to have to take a piece over to Mom. I think she'll like it. But yeah, there you go. Now you know. If you get any kind of pre-made chip dip things in your food pantry haul, you can use it to make a sauce to go on a casserole, or pasta would be good on. I don't know what else. But try that. You'll like it. Have a great, super, wonderful, fantastic day. And hope you keep watching my videos after you saw me take a hair out of the sauce. See you on the next one.